Hey everyone, welcome back to Rebuilding Strength. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you find my content insightful and entertaining. This program is an adaptation to the common novice program called Starting Strength. Starting Strength, as mentioned in my previous video, is a linear progression-based program that focuses on building strength by adding weights to the bar every session. The changes I've made to the program include alternating between different exercises, using specialty bars, adding pauses, and incorporating bands. My primary motive for these changes is to delay the biological law of accommodation, allowing me to make linear progress for longer. Another benefit is the added variations, making training more fun. The law of accommodation is considered a general law in biology. According to this law, your body's response to a constant stimulus decreases over time. Given enough time, nothing changes. To overcome this law, a variety of methods must be used to address adaptations in stimulus. The most common method is called progressive overload. Progressive overload is a principle that involves the gradual increases of stress on your body. My current method of progressive overload is by increasing the weight every session. Different methods of progressive overload are incorporated in different programs. Some methods, such as linear periodization, involve slowly transitioning from higher volume with lighter weight to lower volume with heavier weight. I've added an example of this program of progressive overload to the screen now. As mentioned before, progressive overload is synonymous for increasing the stress on your muscular and nervous system. You can increase the stress on your body in more creative ways, such as taking shorter rest intervals between sets, slowing down your tempo, increasing the range of motion, adding pauses, and increasing the reps and sets over time. As you're about to see, I had some trouble with the bar rolling down in my last set. As soon as you begin to lean forward during your set, the bar begins to roll and it's difficult to maintain balance. I compensated for failing the last rep of my last set by adding another set of 4 reps. In total, I went from doing 15 reps to 18 reps. I decided to add this clip of me doing a dead front squat, trying to re-rack the weight following my last failed rep. I wanted to film from this angle to show you the range of motion on the rack pull, but unfortunately it also captured my glutes squeezing at the top of every rep. So I replaced that with a photo of someone just as disgusting. The amazing thing about a rack pull is that due to the short range of motion, it enables you to lift much more weight. Your traps and upper back can take far more punishment than any other muscle group. This also means that they're generally stubborn and can respond well to heavier loads. My plan to progressively overload in the rack pull is to maintain the current weight, but increase the range of motion. It's currently set to pin 10, and I'll lower it next session and continue to lower it every time I can complete 3 sets of 8 reps. If you've watched the video this far, thank you for sticking through with it. Based on the suggestions from my last video, I've made some adjustments to the lighting and angles. I hope it's a better viewing experience for you. If you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll answer them for you. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a like, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.